What is up, Royals? So I am back. It has been months since I have got in the garden and did anything because it's been hot, you guys. It's been really hot. It's about, right now I would say it's about like 106 degrees, and y'all know nothing grows in these conditions. The garden is looking pretty crazy. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. We're gonna start preparing for fall. So let me show you guys what we got going on. So this is what we're looking like, y'all. We have no grass, no plants, no nothing. If you guys know, it only looks this crazy because I was pregnant with twins. I just had my baby boys, and you know, it was just too hot to get to the garden. So this is what it's looking like. It's not cute. It's real dry out here. Say hey.
Hey.
So patio's looking pretty rough, and yeah, I am excited though. So that's what we have going on. You can hear this AC. It's hot. We got to keep the AC going. So I'm super excited to get back to gardening. I just feel like when I'm not gardening, I'm not myself. So I'm so happy that it's about to cool down and we're gonna get to plant some things. Adonis is gonna help me. It's gonna help me get some stuff planted, and we're gonna start fresh. We're gonna start over. So that was just a quick update on what is going on. So we're just gonna do like a quick little cleanup video. I'm gonna let you guys watch me pull all of this mess. Ooh, that scared me. I'm gonna let you guys watch me pull all of this mess out of the garden real quick. Time lapse, let's do it.